Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Chainlink on Robinhood and want to move it over to Kraken for more trading options, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover any potential updates to make the process smooth and secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, why transfer? Robinhood is great for beginners, but Kraken offers advanced features like staking and lower fees for certain trades. Plus, with Chainlink's growing popularity in smart contracts, having it on a flexible platform like Kraken can open up new opportunities. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to your portfolio. Find your Chainlink holdings, it's usually under the cryptocurrencies section. Make sure you have the exact amount you want to transfer ready. Step 2. Since Robinhood doesn't directly support sending to another exchange, you'll need to withdraw your Chainlink to a compatible wallet first. I recommend using a secure wallet like MetaMask. Go to the withdrawal option, select Chainlink, and choose the Ethereum network. Remember, Chainlink is an ERC20 token, so the network matters to avoid any errors. Step 3. Once in your wallet, copy the wallet address. Now, head over to Kraken. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Chainlink. Kraken will give you a deposit address. Double-check that it matches the network, again, Ethereum. Paste your wallet's address there? No, actually, you'll send from your wallet to Kraken's address. From your wallet, initiate the transfer. Enter Kraken's deposit address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Keep an eye on gas fees if you're on Ethereum. They can vary, especially in 2025 with potential network upgrades. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to confirm. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up in your Kraken account, you're good to go. A quick word of caution. Always use two-factor authentication, double-check addresses to prevent hacks, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, both Robinhood and Kraken have support teams. There you have it. You've successfully sent Chainlink from Robinhood to Kraken. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.